Hello, shining star, and welcome to Shine and Breathe. Today, we'll take a moment to breathe deeply, feel strong inside, and remember, you are brave. Go ahead and sit comfortable, or you can lie down, closing your eyes, clearing your mind, coming into this present moment. Inhale, let your belly expand. Exhale, belly toward the spine, breathing in and out of your nose, taking deep, cleansing breaths. Feeling your breath as nourishment to your body. You can scan your body for areas of tension or stress and send light with your breath to dissolve it out. Lovingly releasing. You can surround yourself with a violet flame to transmute negative energy. Breathing in love. Exhale, releasing fears. Breathing in light. Exhale, releasing anything that no longer serves you or your highest good. Breathing in strength. Breathing out any worries. Breathe in courage. And gently let go. Feel your body begin to settle. Feel your heart calm and open. Listen and repeat these words in your mind or out loud. Let them fill you up like warm sunshine. They are true even if you don't feel them yet. Just breathe and believe. Allowing love to fill your heart as you affirm, I am brave. I am strong. I believe in myself. I try even when things feel hard. I trust my heart. I stand tall and shine my light. It's okay to be afraid. I move forward with courage, and I release any fears. I speak kindly to myself. I can handle whatever comes my way. I am safe. I am powerful. I am brave. Imagine a golden, glowing light in your heart. This is your courage, your brave inner spark. With every breath, it grows brighter. It shines out through your whole body. Down your arms, into your hands, into your legs, all the way to your toes. You are glowing with brave, beautiful light. Picture yourself doing something brave. It could be speaking up, trying something new, standing tall with kindness. See it clearly. Feel the strength in your body. Feel the courage in your heart. You are doing it, and you are shining. Taking a deep breath. Know this. You are brave every time you try. You are brave every time you show up. You are brave simply by being you. Feeling grateful, allowing gratitude to overflow from your heart as you remember you are brave. You shine so bright. You did something wonderful today. When you're ready to come back to this present moment, wiggle your fingers and toes. Taking a few more deep, cleansing breaths. Thank you so much for sharing this space with me. The divinity within me sees and honors the divinity within you. Namaste.